Hello and welcome to a quick step-by-step tutorial. Today we are going to show you how to make group bookings. First, visit www.bzzworldtravel.com. Now you are on the Bzzworld Travel homepage. Hover on the group bookings from the top menu bar, then click the button Read More. Please go through the group booking requirement. Fill in the required details and tick on the checkbox for verification, then click Submit. Your request will be sent to our support team. Our team will contact you to verify and understand your request within 48 hours. This completes today's tutorial. Have a wonderful journey with Bzzworld Travel.